Friends, welcome to Thanam Tech Tamil. Today we are going to different updates regarding technology fields. My channel is about online money making, a lot of videos going on, and other YouTube tips also, and technology update. Today small one. Everybody asks these questions: how to add custom ringing tone the M31 Galaxy? You know the M31 Galaxy, lot of types of phones are available, but today we are going to how to add custom ringing tone M31 Galaxy. Okay, just a small, very simple setting. You got setting here, sound and vibration. Click that. Here ringing tone, simple. Click that. Already I have the custom ringing tones. This is normally select simple classic. Then you have to click add button. You add here the tracks album. Next album you go. Here the lot of you can download your favorite songs or favorite dialect. Anything you can download from the website. And just I am showing the, for example, the ringing tone. The done. Okay. Here you can see the custom ringing tone. Very simple method. Okay, you try. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Let me know in the comments box. We'll see another good update. A lot of money making, online money making videos going in Tamil, and YouTube tips all will be available in future, and technology update also available. Don't worry. Take care, guys. We'll see another good update. Okay, keep support. Okay, bye.